In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily transfer data between databases in Notion. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can move your information with confidence. Start by opening the database that contains the data you want to move. This is your source database. Look through the list and check the boxes next to the rows you want to transfer. In most table-style views, you'll see a checkbox column on the left of each row. If you're moving a lot of entries, you can select several at once by checking the first one and then using your normal multi-select method to grab the rest. You can always uncheck anything you don't want included. As soon as you've selected your rows, a dialog bar will appear at the top of the list. This bar only shows when items are selected, and it gives you a few actions tailored to what you're doing. It's a helpful confirmation that Notion recognizes your selection, and it typically shows how many items you've chosen, which is useful for a quick double check. If you don't see it, make sure at least one row is still checked. In that dialog bar, click the three dots icon to open the More Options menu, then choose Move To. This tells Notion you want to relocate the selected pages from your current database to another one. Moving sends the items to a new home rather than making a copy, so the entries will leave the source database once the move completes. Keep that in mind if you expected a duplicate. This action is designed to transfer, not clone. After selecting Move To, you'll see a list of destinations where your data can go. Notion will display pages and databases you have access to, usually grouped by workspace or recent locations. If you work in a large workspace, use the search field in that menu to quickly find the target database by name. Make sure you pick the database itself, not just a parent page, so the items land exactly where you want them. Now, select your other database. Notion will process the move, and the selected rows will disappear from the source and appear in the destination. Depending on your internet connection and how many items you moved, this can take a moment. Once it's done, your data is now organized under the new database's structure. Properties with matching names often carry over smoothly, but if the destination database is set up differently, some details may look a bit different. That's normal and simply reflects the destination's property setup. And that's all. You've successfully transferred data between databases in Notion, cleanly and efficiently, using the built-in Move to Action.